You've been holding out on me.
Cutting it pretty close there, Matt.
Never left you hanging before, sir.
Fair enough. Just get us the hell out of here.
All batteries, concentrate forward firepower. Spin up drives 2 and 6. All hands brace for warp jump on my mark. Mark.
What the hell happened? We ain't seen the Zerg in years. Why attack Marsara now?
It's not just Marsara. You need to see this.
Zerg Swarm launched a full-scale attack.
Devastation spread throughout all Outer Rim planets. Sustained heavy losses.
Casualties in the billions.
Minutes ago, the Zerg attacked a Dominion military research facility.
Sweet mother of mercy.
New exclusive video footage confirms the Queen of Blades is in fact leading the swarm.
We always knew she'd be back, but what's she after?
She's come to finish the job.
There's no telling what the Zerg will throw against us this time. Sir, we need to make sure our hardware and munitions are up to the challenge.
Yeah, I'll check in with Swan down in the armory. Knowing him, he's already got upgrades for us.
I hate to ask, sir, but is there a reason that convict's still on my bridge?
Easy, Matt. Tychus is one of my oldest friends. He helped me out of a real bind a few years back. I owe him.
Well, your friend has a criminal record as long as...
Mine? Believe me, if Tychus Finley wanted me dead, I'd be dead already.
Understood, sir.
Just how bad is it, Matt?
Zerg are attacking all over the sector, sir. Mengsk pulled the fleet back to protect the Dominion core worlds, leaving the fringe worlds to fend for themselves. It's a nightmare.
There's no way we can stop an alien invasion with one capital ship and a handful of volunteers.
Best we just stay clear, partner. We can earn ourselves a fortune working for Mobius while this whole thing blows over.
You don't get it, convict. This isn't gonna just blow over. The Zerg won't stop until we're all dead.
Don't worry, Matt. We ain't sitting this one out. But we're not exactly in tip-top shape either. We'll earn some cash and build up our forces so we can make a difference when it counts.
Sir, any chance you'll get the lab up and running soon? That'd be great.
Hey, everybody, our glorious leader has returned. Hey, man, what's up, cowboy?
What do you got for me, Swan?
The usual, building up our standing forces.
Bringing my troops and hardware up to speed, huh?
Yup, you can add upgrades for their tech right here on the console. But building an army on the run ain't cheap. You brought back credits this time, right?
Look, I know money's been tight, but that artifact we just picked up from Marsara is gonna solve everything.
Yeah, I've heard that before, brother.
It's different this time.
Yeah, I heard that one too.
Upgrading what we got is all well and good, but when are we getting new hardware? A lot of gaps in our inventory right now.
Sometimes we take a job with some kind of new hardware, and I get a schematic for it so we can make more of them. The plans for other stuff, we gotta either beg, borrow, or steal.
One hell of a ship you got here, Jimmy. How'd you get a hold of a floating palace like this?
The Hyperion was Menk's flagship back in the day. Me and Matt decided to borrow her when we parted company with him. This old baby's seen us through some tight spots.
Speaking of tight spots, Tychus, why are you still wearing that suit on my bridge?
Yeah, what'd you bust the zipper or something?
Okay, so I might have had a little help when I broke out of prison. Let's just say it came at a price. I get to stay locked up in this suit till I pay off all my debts.
And who's collecting those debts? Who sprung you?
They're Mobius boys, of course. I didn't just run into them in a museum, you know. They want them artifacts something fierce.
Your debts better not bite us in the ass, Tychus. Covering for your shenanigans ain't part of the deal. What's our general status, Matt?
We've picked up a distress call from the planet Agria. There's a colony there under attack by the Zerg.
Any ship receiving this transmission. The Zerg are invading Agria. The Dominion abandoned us here. We're just a small farming colony. We've got to evacuate before we're overrun. If you can hear this message, please help us.
The Mobius boys think there's another artifact on a world called Monolith. Supposedly there's Protoss guarding it. A group of fanatics call themselves the Tal'Darim. Now don't get all sentimental thinking these Tal'Darim are your old Protoss buddies, 'cause they ain't.
Incoming transmission.
Thank you so much for responding to our distress call, Commander. I'm Dr. Ariel Hansen, and I represent the people of the Agria colony.
Pleasure to meet you, Doc. You can call me Jim. What's the situation?
The Zerg have overwhelmed our planetary defenses. The colony is lost. For the past 12 hours, we've been evacuating people to the nearest starport, but the Zerg attacks have become so intense, we can't get any more through. If you can guard the highway, we can start sending the remaining groups every few minutes.
Don't worry, Doc. We'll get your folks through to that starport safe and sound.
I pray you're right, Commander. The Zerg are more terrible than I ever imagined.
Fight fire with fire. Smells like victory.
I got us some fire bats, cowboy. These suckers have got flamethrowers that'll roast the Zerg, but good.
Fueled up. You got my...
Our allies are being attacked.
Say the word.
Where does it hurt?
Fight fire with fire. Well done. Let's get cooking. But
Thank goodness you're here. I'll give you control of the main building so you can help us evacuate the colony.
you got my... Fight fire.
You rang?
Say the word.
SCV ready.
Go, go, go!
SCV ready.
We'll need to escort the convoys all the way to the main starport for them to have a chance of escaping this planet.
Ready to fueled up.
The first convoy from Lark's Crossing will be moving out soon.
SCV ready.
This better be good. By the numbers, boys.
Standing by.
Been waiting on you. You gonna give me...
Additional supply depots required.
Ah! Go ahead.
Additional supply depots required.
Who wants some? Been waiting on you. By the numbers, boys. Armed?
In the rear with the gear.
Don't stop for anything. Let's roll.
This better be good. Can't wait. You got it.
SCV ready.
Who wants some? Booyah! By the...
Someone had the right idea of building bunkers to defend the roads. Why are they empty?
The Dominion military abandoned them when the Zerg attacked. They didn't give a damn about the colony.
Sorry to hear that, Doc. At least these bunkers are in a good spot. I'll see if we can't get them manned.
Good. Who wants some? Armed and ready. Why not? Gangway, coming through.
Gotcha.
By the numbers, boys. Looking forward to it. Orders received. Who wants some? Aye, aye, sir. Affirmative. Of course. Outstanding. Sure. 10-4. Got it.
Additional supply depots required.
I feel ya. Will do. Sure thing. I'm on it. Roger that. Armed and ready. You got it. Can't wait. Sure does, Sparky. Sure. Outstanding.
Huh? In the rear with the gear. Ah! You scared me! Bad news? Yeah, whatever. Uh-huh.
Armed and ready. You gonna give me...
It's a long haul to the starport, partner. How can we be expected to guard the whole thing?
I reckon we can use a mobile force to keep it clear, or build more bunkers to block the approaches. Either way should work.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready.
Been waiting on... Who wants some? This better be good. By the numbers, boys. You got it. That's fine.
The next convoy is almost ready to go, Commander. Please alert your men.
Listen to me, boy.
Sure thing. Gotcha. SCV ready.
You gonna... Who wants some?
Ready. ahead. Yo.
The doctor is in.
Gangway, coming through.
Get to the starport! Move it! SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
Huh? Well, butter my biscuit. SCV ready.
The doctor is in.
Oh, yeah. Armed and ready. Aye, aye, sir. Of course. Got it. Order received. Sure thing. That's fine. Gangway, coming through.
Add-on complete.
Who wants some? Why not? I'm on it. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Outstanding. Get ready. Aye, aye. Can't wait.
Upgrade complete.
Go, go, go!
Our allies are being attacked.
Convoy's in danger. Hit 'em, boys.
Base is under attack.
Want some? I'm on it. That's fine. Got it. The colonists are hurting. We gotta save them. We're to it. Outstanding. Sure thing. Sure. Roger that. Oh, yeah.
Bad news? Move it! I can't build here. I'm going.
You gonna give me orders? Been waiting on you.
In the rear with the gear.
By the numbers, boys. Yes, sir. Orders received.
Go ahead. Well, butter my biscuit. Roger.
Who wants armed?
Additional supply depots required.
Gotcha.
Additional supply depots required.
Commander, another convoy will be heading out soon.
Way, coming through. By the number. This better be good. Been waiting on you. Who wants some? You gonna give me orders? Sure.
Additional supply depots required. Not enough minerals.
You want
want a piece of me.
Not enough minerals.
What's going on?
Don't leave without us!
Ding by.
By the numbers, boys. I'm on it.
The doctor is in.
Yeah.
Where does it hurt? Just relax.
Been waiting on you. Can't wait. Will do. Give me orders?
Not enough minerals. Upgrade complete.
Got it. Roger that. 10-4. By the numbers, boys. Huh?
Additional supply depots required.
Zerg are attacking the convoy! Let's rock!
Additional base is under attack.
Go ahead. This better be good. What's going on? Armed and ready. Orders received. You got it. This better be
Base is under attack.
Smoking.
good. You gonna give me orders?
Base is under attack.
Cooked.
Who wants some? Will do. Armed and ready. Aye, sir. Can't wait. Why not?
Additional supply depots required.
I can't build here. Yep. You're the boss. We'll butter my biscuit. Bad news? Been waiting on you. This better be good. By the numbers, boys. You gonna give me orders? Outstanding. Of course. Keep your shirt on, Sparky.
Sir, we just detected Zerg organisms entering the upper atmosphere. I can't give you an exact fix, but they're heading your way.
Some. Roger that. You got it. Sure thing. I'm on it. Affirmative. Will do. Sure. Got it. That's fine. Yes, sir. Orders received. Aye, sir. Can't wait. Been waiting.
We have another convoy ready to be escorted, Commander.
Oh, yeah. Roger that. Go. Sure thing. Got it. I'm on it. Can't wait. Oh, yeah. By the numbers, who wants some? Orders received. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. You gonna give me orders? This better. Go ahead. Yo! Will do.
Everyone's here! Let's go!
Been waiting. Who wants some? Armed and ready. I feel ya. Got it. By the numbers, boys. That's fine. You gonna give me orders? Sure. I'm on it. Sure thing. Outstanding. Aye, aye, sir. Can't wait. Why not? Will do. Can't wait. Go, go, go! The Zerg have gotten through! Take them down! Gangway, coming through. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Yes, sir.
Is it critical?
This better be good. Sure. I'm on it. Why not? Got it. Can't wait. Go, go, go! I feel ya. Go ahead.
You got my attention.
You gonna give me orders?
Base is under attack.
Yes, sir. I'm on it. Affirmative. Ah! Hear me! Been waiting on you. This better be
Add-on complete.
Will do.
You need some tree.
By the numbers, boys. That's fine. Outstanding. Why not?
Sir, I'm picking up seismic disturbances closing in on your position. I think it's some kind of tunneling Zerg.
Wonderful. It's just like him to keep things nice and interesting.
Booyah! Why not? Sure. Can't wait. I'm on it. That's fine. Go, go, go! Gangway, coming through. I feel ya. Sure thing. 10-4. Armed and ready.
We're almost done, Commander. Another convoy will be starting out soon.
Affirmative. Why not? Roger that. Looking forward to it. Big job, huh? Gotcha. I can't build here. Yep. Uh-huh. Well, butter my biscuit. Who wants some? Go ahead. I'm on it. Orders received. Go, go, go! Got it. I've been waiting on you. That's fine.
Additional supply depots required.
Is the road safe up ahead? Guess we'll find out.
Armed and ready. Roger that. Yes, sir. Aye, aye, sir. Looking forward to it. Sparky. Orders received. Gangway, coming. Sure thing. Yes, sir. I'm on it. You got it. 10-4. Roger that. Been waiting on you. Armed and ready. Can't wait. Sure. You gonna give me orders? By the numbers, boys. That's fine. Oh, yeah. Sure thing. 10-4. You gonna give me orders? Sure. I'm on it. Want some? I feel you. Oh, yeah. Of course. Affirmative. Got it. Anyway. That's fine. Yes, sir. Can't wait. Got it. Outstanding. Affirmative. That's fine. Why not? Ah! By the numbers. Go, go, go! I feel it. Oh, yeah.
That's the last of them. Go. Lift off now.
We've lost the colony, but my people got out alive, thanks to you, Commander.